All right, here we have number 3. We're going to describe and write the rule for the reflection. Here are all the rules here for reference. So let's just grab one of them. Okay, we have W. Okay, W is going to become W prime. And in that process, it looks like the Y value is changing. So it went from X comma Y arrow into X comma negative Y. For reference, when the Y changes, that is a reflection in the X axis. So we can say reflection over X axis. Next, let's grab Q. Q is going to go into Q prime. Right, well, it looks like there was a swap of X and Y only. So this is X comma Y became Y comma X. That swapping looks like a reflection in Y is equal to X. Let's look at C. W is negative 2 comma 3. It became what? The Y value changes. So X comma Y arrow, X comma negative Y. So that means if the Y value changes, the X, so this is a reflection over the X axis once again. And then A here becomes A prime. Right? So it looks like everything becomes a negative. So look. So X comma Y is arrow into negative X comma negative Y. It's not this. It's not reflection over Y equals to X. It's not Y equals to X. This is actually not one of our rules, but in our notes, we know this one. This is a reflection over the origin of 0, 0. That's how you get negative X and negative Y. Okay, that is the rule for that.